Ready?
Okay.
Hi guys, it's Ellie. I'm here with Victoria Smith.
Hi.
It's at PennCon 2016. So we're going to real quick introduce your newest book.
My newest book is Sugar Love. It is about a Korean pop star that falls in love with a record store owner in California. It's real fun, real quirky, and that's what I tend to do is real fun, quirky romance.
Works for me. So, what first inspired you to write? Was it an author? Was it a certain book you read? Or
Well, I was actually in grad school, and I was kind of bored with a lot of the literature that I was having to read, and so I was kind of looking for something, but I couldn't find anything about people my age, and I was in my early 20s at the time, so I decided to write something, and I went to publish it, and I realized it wasn't really a genre. And as I was marketing it, I ended up finding a genre around me called New Adult, which kind of focuses on 18 to 25-year-olds.
right?
And it just kind of blew up while I was marketing it and looking for a publisher, so that kind of worked out pretty well. And ever since then, I've just been writing.
Awesome. So what's your favorite experience so far at PennCon 2016?
Probably the keynote speaker. We had Quinn Loftus yesterday. She was really good. Yeah, it was very
She's like,
motivating.
yes, somebody that understands.
Yeah, like
Somebody that
we
gets
all
it.
kind of shows that we all kind of share the same experiences.
Right.
You know,
exactly.
so it was really nice.
All right. Well, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
That's it. Check out her links below, guys. Thanks.